I couldn't put my tongue back in my mouth.
That's a troublesome situation.
Why do we need kneecaps? Oh my god. Why? Hey, Xander, I need you to tell me why I need my
because
kneecaps.
because you gotta bend your legs to walk.
You
That
gotta
was a
pretend.
damn. That was a damn close one. Thanks, buddy.
Yes.
I need CPR.
Do you need me to get you the keys?
Xander, what's the fast method? Please
Uh,
be right, or else I'm gonna laugh.
all right. First is face, right?
Yes.
Next is arms.
Yes.
Next is smile. And next is time. So Caleb, it's been a while. What's
wait.
been happening?
Oh my fucking god. So, we, at that place I go to every day.
Your job?
That pays me.
Yeah.
There you go. When I start sneezing, I'll keep sneezing for half an hour even sometimes.
Really? Because
And it hurts really,
Can you-
really badly.
in the past, everybody would get really mad because I would sneeze so much.
Right.
And then once because they always complained, I mentally it made me stop sneezing so much. So now I just sneeze
It was bad. It was bad.
so now I just sneeze like once or twice, and then they're like, "That's it."
Not once or twice. It's like usually 4.
Okay, but so how what's it like? What's your max in the row sneezage that you've had?
I was sneezing for I think it was 50 minutes in my last apartment, and it's because I've got this thing. I swear, up my right nostril. It's specifically my right nostril. I fucking start sneezing.
Here's
and
what's in the row, or what's the gap in between sneezes?
the gap in between sneezes is 5 to 10 seconds.
And you were going for an hour?
Yes.
Bullshit.
My eyes start crying until they're dry.
Next
it
time
doesn't
this
stop.
happens, start recording, please. Send it to us.
The only way I can get it to stop is to take tissue and then wad it up into a ball and completely fill my right nostril so that I can just not sneeze anymore.
Okay, because my max.
The only thing that helps.
My max in a row was 18, and I thought that was unstoppable.
He was outside.
I
He
was
had to
I
go
was
outside.
I was sitting on the couch when it was years back, and then I
was
started
amazing.
sneezing, and I had to leave the room because I had to walk outside because it was affect. I was I have to do something, but I didn't know what, so I just walked outside.
Right.
So, what's a number you'd say is your max in a row?
For sneezing
Yeah,
It was
in a
honestly
row?
yeah.
That time, I'd say probably definitely, it was under 100. I'd say, but in a row, I'd go with probably 30, 40, somewhere around there.
This is crazy.
And then
I wish I was
my
there.
eyes would be dry and burning, and I'd be complaining the entire time.
You'd be like,
because
Yeah.
honestly, Xander's 18 sneeze. That's in his top 10 moments.
Oh
And
my.
I've known him since fucking first grade.
I bring it up a lot.
kindergarten.
I bring it up a lot. That's not healthy.
It doesn't seem like it, because after as many sneezes as I've had, I just think, could this end now? I don't care how it ends. It just needs to be over for good. But then there are people that sneeze mostly by cough sneezing, and
Okay. I don't really cough sneeze.
there's a lot of ha
Nah,
in the
yeah,
sneeze.
not me. I do
I don't do that.
I do
Oh, okay.
mouth and nose. Not really throat.
Okay.
I'm not a throat
Gotcha.
goat. I'm sorry.
Yo, I got cookies downstairs.
God damn, dude. Can I come over?
Yes, but I won't let you in.
And like you got to keep all these other like vegetables and plants in like specific environments, and then potatoes are just like toss me in the fucking dirt.
Well, it's because
Put
it's a
me-
damn root almost.
yeah, toss me in the dirt. Put me in some ash.
I mean, then again, there was the potato famine, but
Right.
we don't talk about that.
I don't feel like we're all that strong.
No.
Yeah, we're not that strong, and I don't think we've beaten the final boss in a hot minute. We've always lost. Then again, we have Ryan and Ben on our team. Once again, apologize if they're listening. Love you guys. You just ain't MLG and ROR. Then again, I just died after saying that, so there's that. Good
Do it.
job, Xander.
He did do it. So to celebrate, we're all going out to the bar.
We're going out for tacos.
Oh yeah.